Hello, my name's Voysey. I'm going to share with you a little tip for increasing the friendly bacteria count of your commercially bought yogurts. I make yogurts at home, but you maybe don't have the energy or the time, or you just can't be bothered with it, or you've tried it before and it didn't really work. So in order to increase the bacteria count of your shop bought yogurt, simply bring it home from the store. Make sure it's just milk and friendly bacteria. No, you don't want any thickeners in there. You don't want any sugar in there. Take the lid off. Take a piece of kitchen paper. This keeps the cats and, in my case, cats and any bugs or dust out of the top of it. You don't want things dropping in it. And just leave it on the counter for 24 hours. And that will massively increase the friendly bacteria content. In order to call it yogurt, commercial manufacturers only have to have fermented it for 4 hours, and every 4 hours the content just doubles and doubles again. So you can do the same with this is cottage cheese, also another fermented product. Same thing. Take the lid off, put a piece of kitchen paper. This enables it to be breathing and the bacteria to do its thing. Keep it at room temperature for just a day, and then you will massively increase the potency of that product from just a few million friendly bacteria to tens of billions in that time period. And it's an easy little tip. Doesn't cost anything. You can, once you've finished fermenting it for the period on your worktop, you just simply pop it in the fridge and eat it as normal. And there you go. Hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.